What's up guys, it's your boy Shevon here back with a new video. So I recently applied the screen protector to my iPhone 11, but then I realized that it was too small for it, and the process that I did to apply the screen protector was not the best application to get a perfect install. So if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how you want to install your new screen protector. You don't want to go to anyone to pay for them to install it, or you don't want to annoy anyone. So this video I'm going to show you some new steps that I learned. Like, I legit just learned this, and this is the best way to get a perfect install. So I'm just going to remove the screen protector that I have already on the device. Now the one that I have is from Jetech, and it's a tempered glass screen protector. I'll have all the links down below in the description for this screen protector. It comes with two, and it's like, how much? Well, like $8? $6, and you get two. So that's a deal and a half. So let's get this started. First, you want to wipe off your device. Make sure it's free from all grease and debris, all the dust and everything. Make sure that gets off. Then you also want to use the wet wipes. Alright, and you want to make sure that you put your screen protector on good, because you don't want to see the hair or any lint when the screen is lit up, because it's really annoying to look at. So you always want to make sure you get a perfect install. Now most screen protectors comes with installation guides that you could use, but those ones are pretty pricey. Will run you like $20 just to get the installation guide. So this is the cheaper way, and it still works. So make sure you use your wet wipes, get all the lint off. Once that's done, now we're gonna take out our hinge stickers. Now you always might see these hinge stickers and you're like, yo, wonder what this does? Well, this is the video for you. Today I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's get our screen protector right here. Now what you want to do is you want to align your screen protector just like you would. So the best way to do it is like turn on the light on the phone to get like an idea of where it's gonna be on the device. So when you think you have that perfect fit, you want to use the hinge stickers. This is where the hinge stickers come into play. So let's just get a perfect alignment right here. Now you want to add these hinge stickers to the side of the device. So we're gonna add this first hinge sticker. I'm gonna place it down right here, right on the side. You want to go in the browser or something just to keep the light on screen, to make sure that everything is aligned with the notch and everything. Alright, so I just wrapped my first hinge sticker around the device, as you can see. That's how you want to wrap it. You want to add another one at the top. Alright, so I just did the second hinge sticker, as you guys can see. Now this is where you're gonna remove this tempered glass screen protector right here. But the last step you want to do is add like a little hinge. Alright, so you're gonna open it like a book, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up this part. You're gonna open it like a book, right? So make sure that you have all these hinge stickers aligned just like this. Alright guys. Then you want to lift up this part and then remove this protective film on the back right here. Alright, so you just want to remove this protective film. And then voila. That's all you need to do. Let the screen, like, let the air evaporate beneath the screen. Just like so. And that's how you get a perfect screen protector installation. You know the vibes. So you just want to remove these guide stickers. You want to remove these guide stickers. And then, yeah, that's how you get your perfect screen installation. So let me know what you guys think about the video. You could take a look at it. If there's bubbles, you just want to rub your hands through the edges, just like so. Remove all the bubbles. But it's supposed to be a perfect screen install. There's not gonna be any like hair or any bubbles on the screen protector. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And all the links for the screen protector will be down below in the description as well. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.